This is how lemons dissolve kidney stones. Lemons dissolve kidney stones and also eject bladder stones painless and easy. We have the easiest way and recipe, you just keep watching this video. Ingredients: -1/3 lemon. A glass of water. Preparation: boil the glass of water. When boiled, leave the water to cool down. Add 1/3 of the lemon. Divide this mixture into 3 parts. How to use this cure: drink in the morning on an empty stomach, in the afternoon and at night. Treatment therapy lasts for 10 days. For the next 10 days, drink water with half a lemon juice a day. Additional tips: twice a week during the entire treatment, once a day, use a mixture of 60 grams of oil and half a lemon juice. After 18 to 20 days, the decayed stones will be thrown out. Another way, practice a vegetarian diet for 3 or 4 days. Then starve for 3 days. Drink 12 cups of hot water on a daily basis, and add 1/4 of a lemon juice to each bowl. The stones will come out easily and painlessly. Do not forget to clean the bowels with clustering on a daily basis. This is the way how lemons dissolve kidney stones. The stones can be dissolved with lemon juice for a day with a slow drinking juice of 6 lemons. Spend the day in bed. It is desirable to warm your feet well, wrapped in a warm blanket. Make these recipes and share this with your family and friends.